Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. I'll explain every step clearly so that you can follow along easily. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Look for the three horizontal lines at the top or bottom of your screen. This is the menu button. Tap on it. Scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings to open your account settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. This is where you manage your account information. Tap Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook profile you want to delete, if you have more than one. Select Delete Account. Tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Important: before you proceed, take a moment to read the information on the screen. Deleting your Facebook account is permanent. This means all your data, your posts, photos, messages, will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. If you're ready to delete your account, tap Continue. Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm. Type your password and then tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete Account. Your account will now be scheduled for permanent deletion. After 30 days, it will be gone forever. If you change your mind, you can stop the deletion process by logging into your account within 30 days, and that's it. Your account is now set to be deleted. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video. If you need more help, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.